In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely export and back up your Phantom Wallet's key. Exporting your wallet's key is a task that should not be taken lightly and should only be done if you're planning to back up your entire wallet with the utmost caution. Cryptocurrencies can be unforgiving if you aren't careful, but with shrewd practice, you can ensure your assets are safe. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the settings of your Phantom Wallet, which can be found in your app. Once there, head over to the security section. This is where you will find the option to show recovery phrase. It's important to note that this phrase is the key to your kingdom, the digital lifeline to your cryptocurrency assets. To display your recovery phrase, you'll have to enter your password. This phrase consists of 12 secret words, and it's critical you understand that these words represent your wallet in its entirety. What this means is that anyone who gains access to these words gains complete access to your crypto holdings. Therefore, protecting this phrase is of paramount importance. Now, here's where the care is required. Only write your recovery phrase down on paper and be sure to store it offline in a very secure place. Many people use safes or other secure storage solutions. The paper method may seem antiquated in today's digital age, but in this context, old school really is best. It's crucial to avoid some common yet potentially devastating missteps here. Never save your recovery phrase in your Notes app, as it's easy for that to be accessed by malicious actors should your phone ever fall into the wrong hands. Similarly, avoid taking a screenshot of your recovery phrase. This method may feel convenient, but it introduces a significant security flaw that could be exploited by hackers. Lastly, never store your recovery phrase in any cloud-based storage. While the cloud offers convenience, it also poses a risk as it can be hacked, leading to potential exposure of your sensitive information. Remember, one mistake, as small or simple as it may seem, can lead to losing your wallet and all the assets it contains. Therefore, your best practice is to embrace offline backups. In the realm of crypto, cold storage, meaning storage that is not connected to the internet, is the best way to ensure safety. By methodically following these guidelines, you can manage your backup process in a manner that mitigates risk and secures your digital assets effectively. Stay smart and protect your crypto future with intentionality and awareness.